Mexico!
What is that?
It's Cash App. They're letting me know that my account's been compromised.
Do you even have a Cash App account?
Thank you for calling Cash App.
Yeah, somebody called about my Cash App.
I went ahead and sent you a 6-digit security code. This was sent to text message. Okay, let me know when you see it on your
Nothing yet.
I'm waiting on my system.
Your system is slow.
Yes, it is.
Let's see how long they wait. They're like, holy shit, somebody actually pressed one.
So you don't hear me?
No, nothing yet. You sending it by email?
Text.
Oh, a text. Can you email it? Well, I was about to go and be like, your system's slow. And he's like, yeah, sit it. I'm like your mother. Like, you should have been aborted and hang up.
Wow. Fuck.
I just wanted to see how long he was gonna go with it. Like, I'm an idiot. Like, I didn't know how to like phones work. You sending it with carrier pigeon?
Hey, like, go away.
Right there. I don't be underneath that bitch.
Watch this motherfucker fall when it gets all the way up there.
Don't get some fucking wood dog. You're Mexican. You can figure out a way to fucking stop this thing from rolling.
I'm here for insurance purposes.
Put that metal piece. Bitch ass up.
It's a good thing we believe in OSHA regulations.
Wow. I drove one of these things last week and I liked it a lot.
If only we could fly!
And we had technical difficulties at Texas 2K with that one, so I decided to just get a new one.
What are you gonna do this?
To drive it around for eventually.
Oh, okay. Take it to the track?
Yeah.
This is bullshit.
Hey, I told you not to let me drive it, didn't I?
You know about this?
Did I know about this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Where are we going?
Crosby or what?
By Crosby Club. My Monster fits perfectly right here. What do you think?
It's got headlights.
I like it.
Yeah, the roof's coming and the windshield's coming. We can do
Yeah.
our system on our own.
It's gonna need a windshield.
What, you don't want to wear goggles? You think I bought that Jango Fett helmet for no reason?
What's the name?
I don't know.
Alright, it needs Bogart.
Yeah, some welds.
Tug of war. Hook him up.
Bro, it'll rip the fucking frame off that thing.
Got truck. Trailer plus cargo weight. 1,300 pounds. So I guess we can only pull the trailer if it's empty.
Don't let Richard tune in. Oh, I bet.
We'll put a system on it.
I know, but I want to hear how this one sounds.
It's quiet. It sounds like a fucking... You ever play Halo 2?
Yeah.
You got the Warthog?
Yeah, it's a warthog,
That's
yeah.
what it sounds like.
Oh wow, Junior, what'd you buy? You broke my golf cart. So with your heavy ass system, all that bumping, it fucking rusted out the welds.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Richard was holding on to the other day.
We're on like 45 now.
Yeah, we were doing 45 down in Travis'
Fucking
neighborhood.
Somebody needs to build like a platform for a stripper pole.
Oh, bro.
Patent pending.
Alright, let's dyno it.
What you gonna do to it first?
Nothing.
Nothing.
We're gonna put the roof, the windshield, and take it to the track. Our hopping solution is about to be resolved. Imagine we can do a consistent 115, 116, 60 foot. So much shit here. Adam, go take all this to the pawn shop, see what they'll give us.
I'll give you $1,000.
Damn, this was heavy.
Probably full of packing peanuts.
Ooh, nuts. Oh, you need 2 hands for this. Nice. So if you guys don't know, we have a Watson K member on the car for now. Probably looking like it's going to stay that way now that we have all this stuff too. With some off-the-shelf strange struts, shocks, whatever you want to call them. So now we ordered some Mensers, which are very nice and should fix a lot of our hopping problem that if you watch in one of the videos, you'll see that the car leaves and it kind of just, the front tire just bounces. We either need it to carry or to stay planted. So wheelies are cool. You're probably not going to run your best time while you're wheeling. Okay, we got these to go with these little baby
Springs.
voila. We should have this on the car and should be back at the track in the next couple weeks.
Moving
Oh my god. Tighter, man.
Can I get the bum pop, chocolate and banana?
Yes, sir.
That's the best kind. And the vanilla sandwich. No, just light me.
You're an Avenger, kid.
You're an Avenger now.
Do you hold it like this or like this? Like a bat?
You right-handed or left-handed?
You don't know.
What does my sexual preference have to do with this?
Your right hand and your right hand holds on top.
Like a golf club.
Your left hand, yeah. The reason why you hold it like that with your right hand on top because you're right-handed, got more strength. So when you clashes with another one, it doesn't tilt the sword back.
Jesse learned a lot from the Crusades.
Not Levi's.
I'm your great-great-great-great-great-grandfather, Levi. Shut up.
It's the old shock strut. Don't get triggered, people. It looks very strutty. I loosen the perch all the way so I could just undo it here on the bench. Or if I want it to be an asshole, I could tighten back up, aim it that way, and just fucking hit it with the impact. Hope it hits Ricardo or Jesse over there. It's been a little bit of a bitch, so I gotta screw it up a little bit more and see if it'll give me like right there. I should get back.
I got a serious question for you. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck wood?
I don't know what that is.
You don't know what a woodchuck is?
Never seen one.
You know what?
Sounds
I
like-
haven't either. I'm not even sure they exist.
I want that muffler.
Get us burger. Hit us up. We'll do it for free.
If we won't, someone else will.
You got problems. You need to check the other boxes, but this isn't gonna. Yeah, that's not gonna go through. Call Aldo first. See if we run into this problem. I got a problem with these Menser shocks. This top perch for the shock mount, the ID is too small to go onto the stud on the Menser.
Drill that bitch out.
Drill it.
Yeah.
That's steel.
Drill that bitch. Unless he gets a camber plate.
Camber plate. Who makes one that you would trust?
You see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a BMR camber plate. So I'd probably say just do the camber plate because those factory ones were already making noise.
Yeah. Plus, I would have to have the guy down the road machine this for me because I don't have a drill. Okay. I'll let him know. I need you to order BMR camber plates.
You don't have to order those.
There we go.
Why?
It's too small.
S197?
Alright, I'm gonna send, what's his name?
Send him the part number.
CP001. That's the same one. I found it before he did. With your broke ass.
What are we about to do?
Pull drop stuff out so I can pull transmission out. Okay, blue. I'm wearing blue.
Be nice to me.
Yeah, be nice to me. Notice me, Senpai. Notice me. After running your fastest pass, I'm not saying tear the whole fucking car out, but inspect everything. That's where it matters. You see all these YouTubers make all this power, they go run this shit, break something. I think most of my horrible posture is due to the...
Yep, having to crouch under here.
I've been working on it. It's Tuesday, ain't it?
It's Tuesday, ain't it? And you start school is no shooting range. We need to cut this off. Wait.
We do that, you total the car in the eyes of Geico.
Because welding a cage to the chassis wasn't enough.
Just making it safer.
He's no good to me, Dad.
Exactly.
Well. Back at it again with the transmission issue.
Not that big of an issue.
No, it's not that big of a deal. I kind of expected at this power level. At this point of most people's builds, they opt for a 2-speed 400, but I think what happened is the last hit we made in the video where the converter did some weird stuff. But the trans is hot.
It's low.
It shifted on the fucking wheel. Made the tranny work harder than it should have. Got a little toasty, so we're gonna drop it, see what it looks like, and probably have our friend Josh go through it again to rebuild this thing. At this
So
point,
cheap.
it's super fucking cheap that I just like order everything just to have it on hand, and it cost me like $300.
You can't do that with the 460.
No, you can't do that with the 6R80. I mean, it's Power Glide. It's been around since like the 60s, I think. So parts galore.
Not staying.
You're not supposed to inhale, stupid. The tranny finished in your mouth. Not the first time. I guess we'll know more when we drop the pan. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can fit. How do they look?
Okay. Okay, I
can fuck with that. I like them.
That's nice.
Picasso. They don't balance these? No, right?
They need it.
You're not going 190, so no. Or are we? 2,000 horsepower Razor down the track. Oh no, we blew up the Razor again. Yeah, we're starting a new hobby because all these other YouTubers are weak as fuck. Alright, let's put them on, Richard. Give the camera to Levi. I think the gold pops or silver.
It does.
Is that gold
It
or
really
silver?
goes with the blue.
It's like a mix, like a bronzish. That's what I was going for. Yeah, boy. I'm excited. I almost want to go to an off-road park.
We got to.
Bro.
What the fuck?
The cap don't fit because the Yay! So I got bad news.
It's the same issue as the
Bogart?
As the Bogart.
How did that one fit?
It doesn't. I'm gonna hop it out here in a second.
Okay.
Those control arms are beefy.
Better than what the Mustang has.
Yeah.
They look good.
They do.
I like it. Insert montage of me driving through some trails.
We gotta go do that first.
You go to Moab?
I would love to take it out for a weekend. It looks so good now. Levi, are these on the website yet?
Yes.
Everything's
on the website.
Don't film me, I'm about to change, you fucking weirdo. We don't make that kind of money yet.
You know, what is considered appropriate behavior, obviously inappropriate behavior. Even some businesses have elected to do like trainings as well that like certify the employees. For the sexual harassment update, sexual harassment policies is mandatory in all workplaces. You need to get your employees trained on sexual harassment. They're like, you have to prove to us that you're proactive. Okay, so how do you do that? Also a great way to update the company culture. So now we need different policies.
You boys like Mexico?